the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice. Like heated seats, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, heated steering wheel, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.